lime, mango, and passion fruit combined to give you a taste of the tropics in this sensational cocktail, Passion for Days, using the delicious passion fruit absolute vodka. Alrighty, so we're gonna start off with our wine glass. We have pre-chilled this guy. We're gonna put about a handful of ice into there. Put about a handful of ice in. Following that with 45 mils of our passion fruit vodka. Now, if you haven't tried this, like all the other absolute infused ranges, this is absolutely mental. It is delicious. You can taste the passion fruit in there. It doesn't take away from the vodka either. Alright, anyway, 45 in there. Onto the lime. We're going to do 20 mils of lime juice. So we'll use the big side and you can just guesstimate. That's where your creativity comes in. Can use fresh lime juice. I can't be bothered today to squeeze it, so I just bought some pre-squeezed lime in a bottle. Anyway, after that, we go 50 ml of our mango juice. Now you want this to be pre-chilled as well. This is a tropical flavored cocktail, you know. Anyway. Get that everywhere. I swear every single time, like I do it on camera and it's way worse than it's like when I do it like at home. I'm literally not usually this messy. Anyway, you guys just get me excited, I think. The last ingredient in this, we're gonna use lemonade, sugar-free lemonade, of course. And we're just gonna do 125 ml, or we're just gonna fill it. So I think as well, you know, that's when the guesstimation and creativity comes into it. And look at that. We've got this drink here all made up. Now, let me just wipe that with the Now, it wouldn't be a cocktail without a garnish. Now, this garnish isn't an ingredient in it, but I just think, you know, it sounds really cool. It's a bit of a pineapple leaf. So, sunny pineapple, sunny Queensland. We're gonna just, how are we gonna put it? We'll just pop it in there like that, yeah? And I reckon, I'm just gonna put one more in there because, you know what? 2 is a party, 3 is too much. I just think that looks really cool there. Look at that! Bang! Passion for days! Cheers, guys.